Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is Monday, 21st March 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold rates in Saudi Arabia. But before that, I would like you to request to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. Starting with the 1 gram price of the 25 gold, the without VAT price is 232.54 and with VAT is 267.42. For 22 carats gold, without VAT price is 213.47 and with VAT is 245.49. For 21 carats, without VAT price is 203.47 and with VAT price is 233.99. For 18 carats, without VAT price is 174.41 and with VAT price is 200.57. For 14 carats, without VAT price is 136.04 and with VAT price is 156.45. For 10 carats gold, without VAT price is 96.97 and with VAT is 111.52. Last but not the least, for 6 carat gold, without VAT price is 58.14 and without VAT is 66.86. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please press the like button. Please share this video with your friends and family. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.